Here's how you can enable the pop-up view mode, or also known as floating app window mode. This is for Samsung phones with Android 15 One UI 7.0. The latest update gives you two ways in which you can go ahead and get into pop-up view mode. So the usual way, let's just say you already have the app open already here, and once in the recents view mode, when you're viewing all the apps you have open already, you'll see that there is the app icon above each one of these. And as you tap on it here, you'll get the option to go into the floating app window mode, which is this little way here. Now, the other way is rather a easier and cool way, but there is a setting that you need to turn on. So to turn it on, go into the quick access, tap on the settings icon right here, and within the search, type in the words swipe. You're gonna go ahead and type in the word swipe for, and you're gonna see this option show up right here. Swipe for pop-up view right there. So you can turn it on from here or just go into it just to see what other options they have. And if you tap on the words itself, they're gonna give you a preview as to how it works. So go ahead and turn that on, and also you can see right here where it says top corner area, and it gives you the area as to where you can swipe down from. So with all that said and done, let's just say now we are in YouTube. Let's just say I'm on YouTube now, and I'm currently viewing the app, and I wanna go into pop-up view mode here. So I'll just go ahead and take my finger here like this, and I'm gonna swipe down like this here from the very top corner. You're gonna have to take it from the very top corner up here. You see this right here? Notice how this happens? Once you get it to do this here and you release it, you'll now have your floating window mode. This is now going to give you this, and you can pull on these little tabs here. That's gonna give you like a smaller view window here. And for YouTube, they already have the little pop-up picture-in-picture view mode here. And then of course you can go ahead and view your video. Let's just say it's currently viewing right now, and then you can just view it like this here. And while you're viewing it, you can move it around and perhaps maybe go into something else. That's gonna be like this little icon here, and maybe I go back to the Play Store, then I'll simply just look for the YouTube icon here, which is gonna be floating around like this here. And when I tap on it, it's gonna come back here like that. I can play my video and also go ahead and navigate other apps at the same time. And to come out of it, you'll see right here, the tab here, this little blue tab up here. As I tap on it, that's gonna give me these options. I can shrink the size, bring it back to full screen by tapping on the two arrows going part ways, or just close it out like that there, and we're good to go. Like and sub.